Hello, this is a quick video to show how to make a half circle and a half cylinder in Blender. Firstly, we can go to Add, Merge, and choose Circle. Close up the valley, and then we can select the circle and go to Edit Mode. And we can go to Face and choose Grid View. Now open the Grid View panel. We can change offset to make a line to the x-axis, and then go to the top view. We can use face selection and select bottom faces of circle and then press delete, and we can choose delete faces. So we got a half circle. Now if we want to make a solid, we can press A and then press E to extrude it. Also, we can make a half cylinder if we extrude in longer distance. So this is how we can make a half circle and a half cylinder in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.